Omushomo gwo gutebekanisa ekitongole kya Technoserve ekiri kutungura eby'obuhingi omu ihanga kandi kikwatanise n'aba Food Safety Associates Limited hamwe n'ekitongole ekya Uganda National Bureau of Standards. Ahimbisibwe nagira ngu bingi abashuubuzi kuruga mu Uganda baremerwe kutungura emirimo yabo ahabw'omutindo mubi ogw'emishuburo yabo.
And the government is losing a lot of money. Why? Because we who are involved in the farming or supplying these fruits and vegetables, we are not fulfilling fulfilling the requirements. I think you have been told, isn't it?
Dr. Ananias Bagumire owa Food Safety Associations na Albert Changire okuruga mu Technoserve nibagira ngo ebitendekirwa abashuubuzi aba byatekwa mu nkora nihija kubaho empinduka omu mishuburo yabo.
Omutindo gwabo kukirya hansi nibatunda hihi n'amaka gabo na n'ombyaro byabo konka tubakutwara ibintu byabo mu butaro burungi nkaza supermarket empango ezikweza sente nungi abo kubana bano batina ngo ibintu byabe ibintu bizakwatwa abamateka nk'aba Uganda National Bureau of Standards.
This training is aiming to bridge that awareness gap and also trying to ensure that we bring closer the relationship to improve the relationship between UNBS and cottage processors.
Ronald Asimwe ow'ekitongole kya UNBS yayoreka ngo abashuubuzi bingi bangire kubuuza ekyamazima bitu bagumana baremesa okushikiriza ebirikwetengwa.
Initially, it was actually 500,000 for audit, both the first audit and the second audit, and then you also pay 800,000 for the 2 mark. But we merged those 3, and you are paying 500,000
for all the 3
for the audit and certification.
Then proper labeling and safe packaging of a product as per the standard. There was a standard that I showed you that was showing general labeling requirements. That standard will show you how you're supposed to label your product.
Bamwe abatendekwa bayoreka ngo baza kuganyirwamo bwa nyuma y'omushomogo.
Twire ndi kurwana n'ekintu ekyo kutunga quality mark okuraba okuruga omu UNBS.
Nashemererwe rizoba kureba ngo nanye nayetaba omutwe gumushomo.
Abantu 8 nahariga no mu Uganda bari mu kuhinga no kurisa konka tubara hamutindo murungi. Gasha kwa Job namanya.